Now, what I usually suggest if you're doing bulk listing is the premium store. The premium store gives you 10,000 listings a month without paying any fees. So if you're doing the bulk listing method, we usually tell you to list up until 10,000 items, see how much money you make, and then prune. So you want to have the premium store. What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're gonna just do a quick video on what store you should choose if you're drop shipping on eBay. So like the video, subscribe. This is gonna be a very quick video. So on the stores you have the starter package, the basic package, premium, anchor, and enterprise. Now what I usually suggest if you're doing bulk listing is the premium store. The premium store gives you 10,000 listings a month without paying any fees. The basic store gives you 1,000 and the starter store gives you 250. So if you're doing the bulk listing method, we usually tell you to list up until 10,000 items, see how much money you make, and then prune. So you want to have the premium store. I have a store that I'm managing that we have the anchor store and it showed profitable, but don't do that. I would say anyone just starting, or even if you're doing it for like a year, get the premium store because you could do a mix of product substitution, sniping, and bug listing. So to get to that page that we're looking at, if you're on the eBay account, you have to go to Justin. You want to just show them how you got to that page?
Yeah, sure. You go to your account settings, and basically you're gonna see subscriptions here. And pretty much it. Manage subscription. Change subscription. You could see I was the basic, and just like that, select and review.
Yeah, do the 59.95. They don't charge you yearly, but they still charge you monthly. All right, guys, so like and subscribe. Okay, you're successful. So sweet. So Justin, that's what you have to do. And that you guys who are looking on eBay, that's the store that you want when drop shipping on eBay. I know a lot of you guys ask the question, can I start with $0? You can't really start with $0 because you're gonna have to pay for an eBay store. So, all right, guys, have a good one. Also,
Okay.
in the comment section, ask questions. In the description, there's free resources. There's a link to my calendar if you want a free consulting call later.
Yeah, guys.